Welcome to SciChat Mindset. Today, let's get started with Galaxy, a powerful web-based bioinformatics platform. First, open your browser and type Galaxy Bioinformatics into the Google search bar. Now, let's explore the Galaxy platform. On the left side, you'll find a vast collection of tools for various bioinformatics analyses. By scrolling down, you can see different categories of tools designed for sequence analysis, metagenomics, and much more. At the top of the page, you'll see options for workflow, visualize, data, and account options like login or register. On the right side, you can view the history panel, where your uploaded datasets and analysis steps are tracked. You can also rename histories and manage them efficiently. To conclude, Galaxy allows researchers to perform bioinformatic analyses without requiring more skills.